Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. The first one will require your contact list, because we will block the number you've got currently saved. And the second is kind of by using the settings. It is more manual option. So let's start with your contact list. Let's open it, for example, using the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. And that was a misclick. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And as you can see right here, we've got the information that we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. It's up to you if you want to report it as a spam. I don't want to. And then tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and the information that this number is currently blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way, as I said at the very beginning of this video, is more manual. And here it does not really matter whether we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it, and here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contact, so the first option also worked. And the manual option right here can be used just by tapping on this add a number option, and as you can see, we can enter the number in this section, use it with the usage of this keypad, or we can paste it if we've got it copied. Then let's tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. If you want to, you can also turn on this option, unknown, which simply means that your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you. It can be useful. Yeah. You can, of course, turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, and you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.